Hey everybody, this is Mike Anderson with Collision Advice. I'm here with my great friend Danny with the DEG, and we're working with SCRS to bring you a series of quick tips that will help you to boost your business. We're going to get back into parts a little bit more for you in today's quick tip, and we're going to talk about part staging areas. You know, one of the reasons we like to stage areas for our parts cards is for visual controls, right? Think about like, a green light means go, red means stop, and yellow means go faster, right? At the end of the day, what we want to do is talk about visual controls with our parts cards. Now, what I like to do is, again, I like to have staging area 1, which is where I receive my parts. It's where I receive all my new parts and I mirror match them and compare them to my damaged parts. Again, I like to have a table covered in padding, so if I flip a fender or door upside down, it doesn't damage it. Now, once I mirror match all my parts and I place them on the parts cart with the old parts, that's called mirror matching them, right? I'm now going to take that parts cart and move it to staging area 2. So let me back up. Staging area 1 is my receiving area. Staging area 2, that means any parts cart that I put in that area of the shop, that is a visual signal to the technician that says we have all the critical parts here and we have 100% authorization. That means go. Fix the car, right? Now, the next thing we're going to do is we have staging area 3. Staging area 3 is any parts cart in this area means that the vehicle's in refinish. So the repairs have been completed. It's in refinish. When it comes out of refinish, that's where the technician will go to get the parts cart to take it back to their stall for reassembly. And then we'll have 2 optional staging areas. We sometimes will have an optional staging area 4, which are vehicles where all the critical parts have been received, but we're still waiting on authorization. Again, that's a visual control for an owner or manager. And then we have a staging area 5 where sometimes people will take and they'll put their empty parts cards. Now, a lot of you, I know what you're saying already. I don't have that much room. I promise you do. Just don't be a hoarder and get rid of some of that clutter you've had for a lot of times, right? So at the end of the day, ladies and gentlemen, don't delay, do it today. Thanks for joining us for today's tip.